Hello, Sultana.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm okay.
Are you coughing or?
Yeah, I am a bit sick because I started coughing like 2 weeks ago and I'm still coughing.
Mm. Did you drink hot milk with honey?
No.
Usually, if I get
I
sick,
I'm gonna probably have a doctor appointment today for the
Mm.
vaccination for my school.
Oh, okay. But usually, if you're coughing, if you catch colds, I don't know, of course, you need to ask your parents. Boil milk with some honey, just little bits, and drink one of these hot, not very hot.
My
So
mom
also it is good
my
for
mom does that, but she puts banana in it.
banana.
Yeah, sometimes she does that.
Uh-huh. Okay. I hope you will get well soon, Sultana. Sultana, with you, we have been studying about addition and subtraction of integers, right?
Yeah.
And now, day by day, we are going to practice this continuously, okay? It's not actually just with one topic we finished, we are not going to study this again. No, it's not like this. And actually, every time you are going to deal with integers.
Yeah.
And that's why if you just understand the idea, okay, as we practice more and more, you get better and better. Every time you make a mistake, I'll just remind you about the rules. And rules are very simple, Sultana. When you are adding two positive integers, no problem. Two negative integers, no problem. If you subtract the small number from big number, no problem. Okay. Usually students make a mistake, okay, when actually you're subtracting big number from small number, right?
Yeah.
And after that, today, I'm going to practice with you how to multiply and divide two integers, okay? And next week,
Yeah.
Sultana, I'll give you some homework. If you can finish all of them, I'm going to start rational numbers with you, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Sultana, now let's do these questions quickly. All right. Before we start, let me just ask you a few questions. Then, if you actually do not make mistake with their sign, I hope everything will be okay. All right. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Sultana, what is 3 minus 1?
2.
2. What is 1 minus 3?
2.
Negative 2. How can actually two different
Negative.
things can be the same thing,
Yeah,
right?
negative
3
2.
minus 1, 1 minus 3, they are different things, right? So
Yeah.
that is negative 2, okay? As I told you, a lot of students make a mistake when they subtract big number from small number. Okay, look, if the signs are opposite, if you look at these numbers, Sultana, we have here positive 1 and negative 3, right? Two numbers. We are combining two numbers, right? It's like you have $1 and you spend $3. And at the end, right, in the end, actually, you will owe some money to the whoever actually you trade with, right? Okay,
Yeah.
let's continue. What is 5 minus 2?
Minus 3.
It is 3. Okay. What is 2 minus 5?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. 5 minus 7?
2. I mean,
Negative 2.
negative
Look,
2. Negative
yeah,
2.
you should feel this, okay? You see, we are subtracting big number from small number. It is negative. It means that you have $5 and you spend $7, right? So that means that you need to pay $2 more to balance your account. It's something like that. All right, next, 10 minus 15?
Negative 5.
Negative 5. 0 minus 5?
Negative 0.
Negative 5.
Wait, what?
What is 5 minus 0?
5.
So 5 minus 0 equals 5. What is 0 minus 5? Negative 5,
Oh, okay.
right? Okay. And now 2 minus 7?
Negative 5.
Negative 5. Negative 1 minus 2?
Um, negative. No, wait, it's positive.
No, no, you're combining two negative numbers. If you remember, how do you add this? Just factor out this negative, put outside parentheses, is 1 plus 2, right? The same thing.
Yeah, 3.
So that is -3, right? If you're
Yeah.
combining two numbers, right, if the signs are the same, we always add. If it is actually these two numbers are negative, it will be negative, positive, positive, right? Like, for
Yeah.
example, what is 1 plus 2?
3.
It is 3. But -1 plus -2, it is -3.
Yeah, okay.
To understand this, again, you can understand like this. Here I have -1, okay? This -2 means that I have two -1s. I have -1 and -1, right? So
Yeah.
two -1 means that -2. So I'm asking how many -1s do you see here altogether? I see three -1s, right? Three -1s.
Yeah.
But in most simpler way, we can just write it as -3. Three -1s is the same thing as -3.
Okay.
Okay, does it make sense?
Yeah.
All right, now let's do these questions. Exploration, read it.
Why can't you have a conversation with the near the merlion? Do the following and match the answer given outside each box with the correct letter. Solve the riddle.
Solve the riddle. Okay. All right. So I hope we can do these questions really fast. It will be really great. Okay, let's start. A, read it and tell me your answer. Okay. Read it first.
-5 minus +6.
Okay. You can do in your notebook. What is it? What is the result of this? -5 minus +6.
So basically, since positive is bigger, the answer is
No. First, we need to remove the parentheses, right? Sultana, look, A equals -5. And what is minus times plus? Minus plus?
minus plus negative.
It is negative, -6, right?
Yeah.
So both numbers, you see negative now. How do
So
we
it's
add
gonna be
this?
-1.
-11.
What?
If the signs are the same, we add, right? Here we have -5, -6. Do they have the same signs?
No. So
Look,
yeah,
look, Sultana, again, you are making a mistake. I'm saying that, look, in general, if we have -a minus b, okay? How do we simplify this? Put minus here, open parentheses, a plus b. Do this mentally, all right? And add this and write the answer. You see here, both are negative, right? So -5 minus 6, I can write it as -5 plus 6. And 5 plus 6 is 11. In front of
Oh,
this 11, I have -11.
okay. Because
Okay.
I thought it was minus and I thought
No, don't say I thought. We just did here. We just did here, you see? Why did I show this? So that you'll not make mistake.
yeah.
All right, you get better. Next time you'll remember much better. Okay, so A is equal to -11. T,
T equals
first, what is
positive.
minus?
Yeah.
What is it? Plus.
Yeah, plus.
So what is 8 plus 5?
So 13.
13. You should be a bit faster, Sultana. Look, this is the third time we are working on this. Now do question P in your notebook and tell me your answer. Write and do it. Let's see how you do this question.
Mm. 11.
Really?
-11.
Come on, Sultana. First, did you write like this? P and
Yeah.
-4. What is minus? Plus, right?
Yeah.
So plus 7. So signs are opposite. If signs are opposite, what do we do? Add or subtract?
Minus.
So what is 7 minus 4?
Oh,
It
3.
is 3, right? Or even you can just write, if you remember, Sultana, what is A plus B is equal to B plus A, right?
Yeah.
So using this property, can you just actually interchange the places of the following? Let me ask you, because you should
Also, it's the
understand this.
opposite. It's just the opposite.
Okay, let me just write the date here. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now, Sultana, look. First, let's practice this. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Do you agree with this?
Yeah.
First, if you go to the markets, you spend $5 and $6, or for $6 and $5, the total actually expenditure will be the same, right? Okay, using this one. All right. And switch the places of the following. Okay, 1 plus 2 equals 2
3.
plus 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and how about 1 minus 2?
1 minus equals 2 minus 1.
No, you see here positive 1, negative 2. Our A is 1, B is negative 2. So that's equal to negative 2 plus 1.
Oh, because
You
the
see?
other way. Okay.
Yeah, if you read this, how do you read this, Sultana? We read this as positive 1, negative 2, or negative 2, positive 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's say this minus A plus B equals
Um, it's going to be a
B
negative.
minus A,
Yeah.
right? A
Because
bit
it's going to
faster.
be the opposite.
X plus Y equals
Y plus X.
X.
Yeah.
2 minus 3,
3 minus 2.
no,
I mean negative 2, 3 minus 2.
plus 2. It is plus 2. This one is positive 2. Is it negative 2 or positive 2?
Positive.
So it is positive 2 here.
Oh.
A plus B, B plus A, right? You're not saying that A plus B equals minus B plus A, right? Or B minus A. You're saying that A plus B, B plus A. Positive 2, negative 3, positive 2.
Okay.
Negative 5, positive 6, 6, negative 5. Because if the number comes first, we don't actually usually write plus. That's why it may be a bit confusing, okay?
Yeah.
You should understand this well because we are going to use this a lot. All right, next thing, 7 minus 9.
Negative 7. Negative
9.
9 plus 7.
Just read it and switch. Positive 7,
Yeah.
negative 9, negative 9, positive 7.
Yeah.
Okay. Plus 7. All right. And 2 plus 3.
Negative 3.
Why negative? Where is negative here?
But 2
3
smaller.
plus 2. Because
Oh.
both numbers are positive, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and that's why actually you're making a mistake. First, you should understand the logic here. I'm saying that A and B, B and A, the same thing, right?
Yeah.
So A negative 1, 2, 2, negative 1.
Yeah.
And negative 3, 5, 5, negative 3, right?
Yeah.
And because when it is positive, usually we don't have to say this positive unless it is in the middle of the expression, right?
Yeah.
But we just when I say that it is 5, I mean positive 5. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next, 2 plus 7.
Negative. Wait, no, not negative. Both of them are positive.
So
So it's just gonna be 7 plus 2.
yeah, you should be fast. 7 plus 2, that's it.
Yeah.
Because both are positive. Okay. And how about 2 minus 7?
Negative 7
Uh-huh.
over yeah, plus 2.
Yeah, that's it. You see, because this one is positive 2, this one is negative 7. All right. And how about 10 minus 15?
Negative 15 plus 10.
Plus 10. And how about negative 2 minus 3?
Negative 3 plus 2.
Y plus, is it plus 2?
Huh?
This one is -2, right? -2, -3, right?
Oh,
So it
yeah.
will be -3, -2.
Yeah, negative.
If you just pronounce this, Sultana, you will not make a mistake. Okay, just read it to yourself like -2, -3, switch, -3, -2, right?
Yeah.
You should not change the sound when you're switching. Sultana, Ahmed, Ahmed, Sultana, right?
Yeah.
So when I'm changing, I'm not changing the sign. Okay, let's continue. A few more. Okay, then. How about -a plus b?
Um, mm, B plus A.
Y plus a, y. It is -a here.
Yeah.
B minus a. Minus x plus y.
X, X minus, Y minus X.
Y minus x. That's correct. Minus t minus w.
W, wait, W, negative W, mine, wait, yeah,
What is it?
negative W minus, T,
What do you see here?
negative T,
What do you see here?
negative W,
Read it again. Negative t, negative w.
yeah,
Read it, read it. Don't say yet. Read it.
negative T and negative W,
Okay, now switch. Just switch, Sultana.
negative W minus, negative W plus negative T.
Oh, y plus. What is plus here? I'm just saying that
I
a
thought
and
it was
b,
the
say b and
opposite.
a.
Wait, I thought it was the opposite
Don't
because
think, don't think. I'm just saying that if you are reading a and b, just read it as b and a, right? You're saying that negative t, negative w. I'm saying that that's equal to a plus b equals b plus a. Just switch, Sultana. Don't actually, you're confusing yourself. Just one rule, try to practice. Only one rule.
opposite.
Yeah, you are making the same. You did it correctly. Again, you make a mistake. Do you understand the logic? I'm just pronounced. Look, Sultana, can you read it? Read it.
Negative T minus negative W.
Okay, switch now. Do not change anything. Just switch their order.
Negative W minus negative T.
That's it.
Oh,
That's what
okay.
we're trying to say. If you change the order, the sum does not change. That's the rule here. Okay, if I'm saying that Ahmed and Mehmet and Ahmed, they're the same thing.
Yeah.
If you save $10 and they spend $7, or you spend $7 and they save $10, the result will be the same thing.
Yeah.
But you should understand, you should feel it, Sultan. Otherwise, you're going to use this rule a lot. A lot of students make a mistake. That's why I'm practicing with you so that you don't make a mistake. Immediately, a plus b, b plus a. -5, +6, +6, -5. Just change the order. That's it.
Okay.
But just, Sultana, you when you're reading, try to read together with a sign. Okay. If you say -5, read it as -5. Then if you pronounce -5 and switch, you don't make a mistake.
Okay.
All right, now let's try to answer a bit faster. Okay. All right, let me change the color for you. 1 minus 3.
Negative 3 minus 1.
Y minus
And
1.
plus
Y
1.
minus 1. Is it -1?
No, plus 1.
No.
Plus 1.
You're just guessing, it becomes your habit. You're just guessing. Don't guess. Think. Is it positive or negative, Sultan? Okay. You see here in front of 1, we don't have nothing. We have nothing. That's why it is positive. Okay. +1. And if you ask me, Sultana, Mr. Qasim, why we don't put plus sign in front of 1? Because if numbers come first as positive, we don't put. Because every time when I say 1, I mean +1. When I say 5, I mean +5.
Yeah.
To make things simple. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue. What is 1 minus 3? Change the order.
equals -3 plus 1
Okay, what is 1 minus 3?
equals -3 plus 1.
All right. Now I'm going to ask you different questions. You should understand this well, Sultan. Otherwise, if you don't understand this logic, we're going to learn more advanced logics. Okay, you cannot understand. These basic things you should understand well. Because everything is based on these ideas in learning algebra, Sultan. Let's continue. 2 minus 3.
Negative 3 -3 plus 2.
Okay. A minus B.
Um, A
Change the order.
wait, B plus, is that negative? Is B negative?
Does it look like plus or minus?
That looks like a minus.
It is
Um,
A minus B, Sultana. A minus B equals, switch
uh,
the, change the order.
B plus A. I
Why
mean
P?
B
What do you say in front of B?
negative
So it is negative B plus
B
A.
plus
We
A.
are just reading that A minus B plus A. A minus C plus A.
Yeah.
Okay? All right. How about A squared minus 1?
Um, A -1 -1 plus A over 2.
A squared, not over.
Yeah, A squared.
A squared. If you say A over 2, it is like this a fraction, right? A over 2.
Yeah.
Okay, Sultana. Come on, you should be really fast because if you don't understand basic logic, simple things, you cannot understand more advanced or difficult things. If you understand this well, Sultana, also you understand other topics well. Let's continue. I will practice until you answer 3 questions in a row correctly. Okay, let's continue. 2 minus 5.
-5 plus 2.
Okay, 3 minus 7.
-7 plus 3.
Plus 2. 3, right?
Yeah,
Plus 3.
yeah.
Okay. Minus A minus B.
Um, negative B plus A.
Can you read it?
Negative A minus B.
Just
So
switch now.
B.
Why B? You just said negative B. You just say negative B. Why B? I'm just saying switch.
Yeah, I'm trying to say negative B plus
Uh-huh.
A.
Why plus A? Didn't you say negative A?
So it's minus.
Yeah, just switch it. This one, Sultana, can you read from right to left?
Negative A.
From right to left.
B minus
Negative B. We always read
negative
together with the
B.
sign. Negative B, negative A.
Negative A.
Whatever you pronounce, right here. Negative B, negative A.
Yeah.
Is it really hard?
Yeah. I mean, I just get confused with because both of the negative, right? And I don't see the plus or the minus. That's
Now,
the
I'm
part.
just saying, just a switch. Do not change anything. Just switch. I'm saying that if you're saying A and B, and read it as B and A. If you're saying minus A, negative A minus B, and read it minus B, negative A. If you're saying A minus B, A, right? Whatever you are just reading now from left to right, and now read it right to left without changing anything.
Oh, so there isn't like a equation with like a minus A. There has to be like those parentheses when it
Sultana,
comes to
forget about this. Yeah, what are you talking about? I'm just trying to teach you this simple logic. You understand the
yeah,
logic or not? I want to see
yeah,
that
I do.
first.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, but step by step, you have a huge gap. That's why I'm trying to fill this. If you understand the logic, we should develop learning skill. Okay, if you understand these things, when you're solving questions, you can make a connection. I did like this. I did like this, right? Then you can learn well. If students, they cannot make connection with other topics that they have learned, then they actually struggle to understand. Because you are going to see this kind of questions a lot. That's why you should understand this well. Okay. Anyway, let's continue. I think this much enough. I'll ask a bit later again. You see, when you just read a plus b equals b plus a, it's easy to understand, but application is not easy. A lot of students, they confuse. When I say that a plus b equals b plus a, yes. But when I just give examples, they confuse. Okay, just it's like reading from left to right and right to left. And one thing you have to pay attention is, Sultana, when you are reading something, you should read together with their sign. Like -5, +6, -2, right? At the time, you don't get confused, okay? All right, Sultana. P, it is -4 plus 7. That's equal to 3, okay? And now O, right? So
O
first we need to remove the
equals
parentheses. Yes. What,
O
what is minus minus?
minus minus plus
Okay, 2 plus 10?
12.
12. Okay. Now, can you just do the question as quickly? What is 0 minus minus 4?
Um, uh, 4. Wait, yeah, 4.
It is 4 because minus minus is plus. 0 plus 4 is 4.
Yeah.
Okay, Sultan, the next question, why? Do it yourself. I'll give 10 seconds and tell me your answer.
Um, that's negative. 9. Um, is it so? You remember you said whenever it's positive, whenever the number is bigger, it's going to be positive.
First, if we have parentheses, Sultana, you have to
Yeah, so you
remove the
do
parentheses.
y equals
Here
7,
we have
negative
-7.
7.
What is minus times plus?
Um, plus, I mean,
Uh,
minus.
Opposite, right? Opposite. If you
Yeah,
multiply opposite, Sultana is always minus. Minus
yeah,
12, okay? Now look, it is -7, -12. I'm just going to use this property, you remember?
yeah, so it's gonna be 5.
What do you mean 5? We are adding a plus b. Can't you see this? Take this minus out. 7 plus 12 is 19. It is -19. Because if signs are the same, we add, right, Sultana? If you're
Yeah,
adding two negative numbers, the result is negative. If we are adding two positive numbers, the result is positive, right?
yeah, I think I get it now. So it's gonna be -19.
-19. Sometimes you need to watch, Sultan, when you have time, just 3-5 minutes, not much, okay? On YouTube, just write addition and subtraction of integers. Watch like 3-5 minute video. Step by step, you should learn how to watch. When you watch and you learn at school, yeah, and you learn with me, you will have very strong foundation. Okay? And when you're watching movie or playing a game, okay, oh Sultana, just talk to yourself. Okay, can you watch addition, subtraction of integers on YouTube? 3 minutes, maximum 5 minutes. Be patient, watch. As much as you understand, okay?
Can I do n?
Uh-huh. What is M?
N equals -2 plus 25 equals -27.
So -27, that's correct. And now can you do E?
Okay. Both of them are negative, so the answer will come out.
No, 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 no.
E
If you remove the
equals,
parentheses,
yeah,
minus
E
minus becomes
equals,
plus, right? Yeah.
yeah. So E equals -16 plus 9.
Very good. So now we add or subtract?
Add.
Come on, it's
Wait,
opposites, right?
yeah, opposite. So it's gonna be minus.
We subtract, right? Minus,
Yes.
because the greater number is 16 minus. So what is 16 minus 9?
7.
7. So the answer
Negative
is
7.
-7. You're not going to memorize 10, 20 rules, just 2 rules. If the
Yeah.
signs are opposites, we subtract. If the signs are the same, we add. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. D.
Um. So it's gonna be 1 negative. So first D equals -1 minus 0.
So what is the
So
answer?
opposite. So then it's gonna be plus. So it's just gonna be 1, -1.
-1, right? Because
Yeah, negative.
-1 is A. A minus 0 is just A, right?
Yeah.
So that's -1. You know, Sultana, this is also a very important rule. We have a kind of element we call the 0. A plus 0 is equal to A.
Yeah.
This is a very important rule. You know, we have some basic rules in math. Everything is based on this. Another one is 1 times A is equal to A.
Yeah.
Right? Another one is A times 1 over A is equal to 1. Okay, this is simple, but the whole math is based on these simple rules. Let's continue. So, all right, do R now.
R.
Write in your notebook, Sultana, do it, and after that explain.
Okay. R equals this. Wait, did I do it correctly? I said R equals -6, and then also plus because you said the opposite.
Not opposite, because minus times minus is plus, not
Yeah,
opposite.
so
Don't say
I
opposite.
did
Negative times
so
negative is positive, right?
yeah, so
Okay.
plus
Plus,
-17.
why negative? You're just saying that it's plus, and you're saying -17.
Yeah, and then after you change it to 17.
Now, what is minus times minus?
Plus.
It is plus 17.
Yeah, so then I said I changed it to 17.
Uh-huh.
And then
So now
from
we add or subtract.
17 we subtract
Very good. The result will be positive or negative.
positive
Very good. Okay, subtract. What is 17 minus 6?
10.
11.
Yeah, 11.
Sultana, if you look at these numbers, ignore the sign. You see the 6 is less than 17. You see now A plus B equals B plus A, right?
Yeah.
So you can use this property. This minus 6 plus 17 is the same thing as plus 17 minus 6.
Yeah.
You understand how we are using this? Now you know how to subtract, right? 17 minus 6 is 11.
Yeah.
So that's 11. Do you, question you.
Is it gonna be -4? I mean like +4?
Yeah. We just did this question here. Again, you're confusing. What is minus times minus? Look at the top, the same thing,
Yeah,
right?
I did plus.
So what is 9 plus 13 then? Huh? You're just adding 9 to 13. What is 9 plus 13?
22.
So why don't you just say the Mr. Qasim minus minus is plus, 9 plus 13 is 22. That's it.
I
Right?
thought you said, I thought, because the other question we did, First I got minus, and then we changed it to plus.
No, in the previous question, Sultana, if you look at the first number, it is negative and positive, right? That's why we subtract.
Oh,
In
okay.
question U, both numbers are positive now.
Oh,
Okay. Now do
yeah.
question H. First, Sultana, remove the parentheses, then
Yeah, I
simplify.
did H equals -4.
Uh-huh.
-4. What I did. Plus. So negative plus positive is
Not
going.
negative plus positive, minus plus. First, are
Yeah.
you removing the parentheses?
Yeah.
Okay. So minus plus will be minus, right?
Yeah.
So now we have now here
13.
H is equal to -4 minus 14. First, did you write like this?
Yeah.
Okay. So now you see that? How did we do this? A similar
Yeah.
question, right? So what is the
Yeah.
answer?
So I did 14 minus -4.
What is the answer?
Uh Not yeah, 8. Wait, what?
-4 minus 14.
10. 10. Negative.
Sultana, look at this. How did you do that? Why are you again making a mistake? Yeah, why? You didn't practice any questions. Minus, minus, right? If it is minus, both are negative, we add. The answer will be negative, right? Plus 18.
Yeah.
Didn't you study in grade 5, in grade 6, these integers?
Yeah.
Why I teach again and again and again, but still you make a mistake?
Mm,
You have to practice at home yourself. Not too many questions, just 8, 10 questions. Think and do it, okay? So Sultana, this minus minus, it will be -18. All right. Because I'm just showing you, it's at the top. You just apply the same thing, but still you make a mistake.
Also, first when we change it, then after we have to change it again because you said
I'm saying that, look, if both numbers are negative, right? So I'm saying that now, just take it as a rule, okay? If we have something like this, minus A minus B, right? After removing the parentheses. And now I'm saying that Sultana, just put minus here, open parenthesis, and that's equal to A plus B. And now you know how to add two numbers, right? You learned this in grade 1 and grade 2, right?
yeah.
Like 7 years ago, 5 years ago. That's it. What you have to do here is you're just adding one new skill. Can you factor out this -1 or not? That's why you're learning this in grade 7. Nope. -2 minus 5. Immediately write it as minus. We can do this also mentally. 2 plus 5 minus. What is 2 plus 5? It is 7.
Mhm.
Minus 5 minus 6 equals, both are negative. Minus 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11, so -11. Right? And -10 minus 4, that's equal to negative negative. Minus 10 plus 4, that's equal to minus 14. Does it make sense for you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's it, Sultana. Just you need some practice, okay? And now the last question, Sultana. Do it, write in your notebook. W equals -15. Remove the parentheses, then simplify.
Wait, so you said so it's gonna be plus.
-15 plus 21, right?
Yeah. So then I minus. So
Because signs are opposite, we
Yes, 3
subtract.
minus.
Okay.
So 21 minus 15. So it's negative 16.
What is 21 minus 15, Sultana?
16.
21 minus 15. 6, right?
Oh yeah, yes. 6.
It is 6. Sultana, now let's complete this table. Okay. Let me use, what one is it? Let me use this color or pink, yellow. Let me use blue. Okay, negative 18, Sultana. What is negative 18?
Negative 18. H.
H. So let's write here H. Let's see, what is the answer? Do you remember the question? Can you read the question one more time?
What, like the whole thing?
Yeah, read the question.
Why can't you have a conversation near the mirror lion?
Why can't you have a conversation near the midline? Do the following and match the answer given outside each box with the correct letter and solve the riddle. Okay, good. So why we cannot talk, right? You know this midline is in Singapore. And almost every tourist, when they visit Singapore, they use this visit this area. It's a line and just water, it is coming out from its mouth. It's a kind of touristic place in Singapore.
Uh,
Okay, so a negative 18 is H. How about negative 7?
E.
E. All right. Positive 4,
Negative.
S, right?
Yeah.
S. So positive 4 is S. 3,
3.
P, right?
Yeah.
P. Okay. Positive 11,
Positive 11. D.
R.
Wait, what? Yeah.
R. Okay. R. And negative 11,
Negative 11. It's
A.
A.
I. Okay. Negative 19,
19. Y.
Y. Positive 4, we have already
S.
written here. It is A. Positive 6,
Mm,
W, right?
W. Yeah.
W. Negative 11,
Negative 11. A.
A. Positive 13,
2.
A. T, right?
T.
Okay, T. And negative 7,
Uh. E.
E. E. Positive 11,
R.
R. And positive 12,
Is it
O.
O.
O. And negative 27,
F.
N, right?
Oh yeah. And
N. And negative 19,
Y.
Y. And positive 12,
O.
O, right? O. And 22,
U.
U. 11,
R.
R. Negative 18,
Uh. Yeah.
H, right?
H. Yeah.
H.
H.
Negative 7,
Here it is. E.
E. Negative 11,
Negative A.
A. Negative 1,
Negative 1.
D.
P.
D.
D. Yeah.
Can you read it?
He sprays water on your head.
Yeah.
It does
He
that?
sprays water on your head.
You went to Singapore?
Yeah. I used to live that region for 20 years. Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Myanmar, Cambodia.
Oh, you went there?
To Singapore?
Yeah.
Yes, 3 times. So beautiful city. Yeah, very expensive, but very beautiful city. Very
I heard their
clean.
airport was like very, they said there was a specific airport and it has like a big waterfall or something.
Yeah, it's new one in Singapore.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. Also, they have botanical garden. A lot of flowers, more than 5,000 different flowers from the world. It's so beautiful. And also they have Universal Studio that is also so nice. The big aquarium and big steering wheel, the big wheel. It's
Yeah.
good country for visits. Okay,
Yeah.
Sultan, let's continue. Now let's do actually not only two numbers, but now we will actually deal with the problems that has also parentheses. You know the PEMDAS, right? That is the order of operations in math. Now, if I ask you, Sultan, let's say you are hungry, you are going to fry eggs and eat. What will you do? Can you just tell me the procedure?
Like first I would take the eggs. I turn on the stove and then I'd wash the pan and then like put it and then crack the egg and put oil and put the egg.
This is a procedure, right? Actually, we do not crack the eggs first on the stove and put pan, right? First, you put a pan,
Yeah.
put some oil and heat it up a little
Yeah.
bit, and after crack the eggs, right?
Yeah.
And fry it for like maybe 2 3 minutes,
Yeah.
and turn off the stove again and just serve it, right?
Yeah.
You see, the order is very important, right? In everything in life, order is important,
Yeah.
right? So if, for example, let's say you're going to school, what do you do first? You have to change, put on your uniform, get your bag, open the door, and go to the school bus maybe, and get on the bus and go to class. Order is really important. Also in math, exactly the same thing, okay? So
Yeah.
what is it? If we have parentheses, first inside the parentheses, you need to perform the operations, carry out the operations.
Is
And
pen
after that, look at the expression. If we have multiplication division, right? And multiplication division from left to right. And
yeah.
after that, addition subtraction from left to right.
So also doesn't it it stands for something, right? Like
Yes,
P
PEM does P for,
P
okay,
for parentheses.
P, E, M, or D, okay? A or S. But this one, it may change, all right? P stands for parentheses, right?
Yeah.
E for exponents.
Yeah.
And
M for
M and D,
multiplication.
multiplication or division, whichever
Vision.
comes first.
Yeah.
And A and S, addition, subtraction,
Yeah.
whichever comes first, from left to right.
Yeah.
Okay, so, all right, now simple numbers. I should be able to do these questions faster, okay? In parentheses, -3 minus. What is 6 minus 9?
Um. Uh. 3.
-3. Sultana, why we
Yeah.
practice a lot again? You're making mistake.
Yeah.
We're
Negative.
subtracting big number from small number, right? It will be negative. 9 minus 6 is 3. But
Yeah.
6 minus 9 is -3.
Yeah.
Okay, so now look. Next one is, again, still I have parentheses. Minus is plus. So I have here -3 plus 3. What is -3 plus 3?
6.
0.
0.
Yeah, -3 plus 3.
Also, if it's the same number and has negative, it will be 0.
3 plus 3 is 6.
6.
-3 minus 3 is -6. -3 plus 3 is 0.
Oh, okay.
Because also that's a property, Sultana, for every number, minus a plus a, that's equal to 0. Or a minus a, that's equal to 0.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Sultana, let's continue now. Look, again, the similar question, okay? Try to understand the logic here. What is 2 minus 5?
Negative -4.
-3.
Wait, what?
5
Oh,
minus 2 is
so we
3, right?
minus and we just put a negative. Yeah.
-3.
Yeah,
So
negative.
now here we have negative is positive. What is -4 plus 3?
Negative. -7.
-1. The signs are opposite, we subtract, right?
Oh yeah.
You see, also you can do like this, Sultana. -4, right? Instead of 3, can I write 4 minus 1?
Minus. Wait.
Instead of 3, 4 minus 1. Is it 3?
No.
What is 4 minus
Yeah.
1?
3.
It is 3. Now
Yeah.
you see -4 plus 4 is 0. 0 minus 1 is equal to -1.
Yeah. -3.
You need to practice more. Look, again, we are practicing a lot of questions. Still, you don't get it. Still, you actually make a mistake. With small numbers, 2 minus 5 is -3. It cannot be 3 because 5 minus 2 is 3, Sultana.
Yeah.
You need to watch a video, okay? And tell me what kind of video. The subtraction and addition of integers. Just 5 or 6 minutes, Sultana, not much.
Yeah.
If you have time, okay? Watch and let's do it together because still you don't get it. I'm really afraid we cannot make a progress if you don't understand this logic. Because every time we are going to use this. You see, these questions are similar. Still, we are, struggling to how to say do this. Okay, let's continue. Sultan, you need to practice. I'll send this paper one more time. You have to practice. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Equals. Look, we have parentheses, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We have to first remove it. -6. What is minus minus?
Plus.
Plus 3 minus 1. What is minus? Okay. First, I can just do with this part. Okay, from left to right. What is -6 plus 3?
-6, you mean -6?
What is -6 plus 3?
Um, negative, negative, um, negative
Oh,
3.
-3. The signs are opposite, just subtract. 6 minus 3 is 3. The bigger number is 6. That's why it is -3. Sultana,
Okay.
are you tired today or you're not feeling well?
No, it's just there's like so much rules, right? But
What do you mean so much? How many rules? Just
no,
2
like
rules.
it's kind of confusing because first you do the 0 and then you have to do the negative. It's just confusing. But
If
like,
you are not elementary school student anymore. You're 7th grade, right?
yeah,
And you're going to learn more complicated things. If you don't understand this, you cannot learn those things, Sultana.
yeah,
I understand it takes time, slowly, but I'm just showing you the same thing. I asked very similar question, but still you are thinking. Don't think too much, okay? Just apply the rules. As you apply more and more, you get intuition. As you get intuition, you understand, it is like this.
yeah,
Okay, but we have to learn. We have no option. Do you have any other choice?
no,
So we have to learn. You're a student. Your job is to learn, right?
yeah,
It may be a bit hard, but as you practice more and more, it gets easier and easier, Sultan.
yeah.
But I think in grade 5 and 6, you never studied math, I think. That's why you're having hard time right now. Because the integers usually you
No.
study in grade 5 and 6, right?
Yeah, because in the grade 5 and 6, those teachers like never really put a lot of effort. They would usually just put like Khan Academy and think we learn. Half of the time, the 6th grade math teacher wasn't really that
Hmm.
smart.
Okay, I understand. Okay, you will learn Sultan. Just a minute. But keep practicing. Okay, you should practice in a notebook. When you write, you think. When you think, you understand better. You can remember, okay? But just watching, you cannot learn. So, Sultana, -6 plus 3 is signs are opposite. We subtract. Bigger number is 6, right? That's why I wish you could understand like the Sultana. -6 plus 3, right?
Yeah.
Look, I'm just applying this rule. A minus A is equal to 0.
Yeah,
-6
so negative
plus,
6.
instead of this 3, instead of 3, I can write 6 minus 3, right? Because 6 minus 3 is 0. I mean 3.
Yeah.
You see, what is negative 6 plus 6?
0.
0. 0 minus 3 is equal to negative 3.
Yeah.
Even in case if you get confused, okay? So here still we have minus 1. Both numbers are negative, so we just put minus immediately. And add these numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4.
4. Okay.
Okay? Let's do question D.
Equals minus plus, so
4 plus
plus
9
9.
minus 5.
Yeah.
Okay? 4 plus 9,
13.
13. 13 minus 5. What is 13 minus 5?
8.
8. That's it. You see, if you know, it's really easy. Next. Okay? Equals, here we have negative 2. Minus
Plus.
plus 6 minus 3. Okay? And also, if you want Sultana once again, you can also do like this. Put positive numbers first and regroup and negative numbers. Okay? Then do this. Because again, I'm going to use this property. You are saying that a plus b is equal to b plus a, right?
Yeah.
So negative 2 plus 6 is the same thing as 6 minus 2.
Yeah.
And here we have minus 3. You see? Now it looks much easier. 6 minus 2 is
4.
equal to 4 minus 3. What is 4 minus 3?
1.
1.
Okay.
Next, first we have to remove the parentheses. 5 minus 7. What is minus minus?
Plus
Plus 10. Okay. You see this one, positive 5, positive 10, right?
Yeah.
Put them first. Positive 5, positive 10. Next one is negative 7. You see? Rearrange. So that's equal to, what is 5 plus 10?
15.
15 minus 7. What is 15 minus 7?
8.
8. Okay?
Yeah. Okay, I think I understand it.
All right. Sultan, let's do one more question and finish this, okay? I'll send this, we'll practice these questions, okay, using the same idea. First, remove the parentheses and do this. Let's do this question. What is minus minus?
Plus 4.
4 plus 8, okay? Now here we have minus 6, nothing. Minus minus?
Plus.
Plus 11. You see, now I can put positive numbers first. Positive 4, positive 8. You see, this one is positive 11. Then
Yeah.
I have here negative 6. It gets much easier. 4 plus 8,
12.
12 plus 11,
24.
23.
23, yeah.
What is 23 minus 6?
16.
17. You remember, if you just add like 4, right? So
Yeah.
plus 4, it is 10, plus 4, it is 27. 27
Yeah.
minus 10 is 17, right? So
17.
that's why it is 17. Okay?
Okay.
Sultana, that's all for you. I'll send it to your father. Try to practice as much as you can, okay?
Yeah.
Do it in your paper or notebook. I want to see your work.
Okay.
Sultana, have a good day. See you next Thursday, okay? Bye-bye.
Yeah.